Look at what we got here. We got some heat. Look at this. The Air Max 97, the soles, these are sold out. What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Kim Cool. We're here to make another outlet video. We're gonna head out to, first of all, I'm back in California, Los Angeles to be exact. We're gonna go check out some outlets, a little bit of a drive. It's like an hour away. We're gonna go to the El Tejon, whatever. El Tejon outlets out in Bakersfield. It's actually a few miles south of Bakersfield. Probably gonna take us an hour to drive. So we'll see what happens when we get there. We have finally made it here. We are in El Tejon, pretty close to Bakersfield. There's a Nike outlet, there's a Adidas outlet, and there's actually a Converse outlet here as well as Puma. We'll see what we can hit up today. Yeah, let's go. Let's go check it out. Start with the hash wall. See what we find. Like 20% off. 20% off. Check my section. My size. Some Pegasus 35s, 84 or 84.99. Ooh. So 97s, Air Max 97s. Velvet brown. 90 bucks. Dang, that's a good price. 90 bucks. Oh, they got all kinds of Protros. Red, purple. Some chlorophylls. I got some chlorophylls. Air Max Deluxe. How much are these? How much are these? Ooh, 60 bucks. Weird color, but 60 bucks. That's just crazy. I got the Hydro. I got the Hydro 11s. My favorite sandals. Let's check it out.
Are you gonna do this for lunch?
Not bad. Got the 23 on them. Unlike the Concord ones. These are nice. 58 bucks, so a little steep. 58 bucks. Yeah, 58 bucks minus 20% off. A little steep, Got some, so the chlorophyll 3s. Ooh, oh, the more the brown chocolate, whatever, velvet brown. Air Max 97s. Got two more of those. Got some KD 11s. Awesome. Oh, Vapor Street Flyknits for 80 bucks. That is crazy. Vapor Street Flyknits for 80 bucks minus 20% off. That is crazy. Crazy. Oh, Kyrie 5s is retail though. That's 20% off though. Oh, look, another MLPS. MLPS. Oh, wow. 139. 20% off. I picked these up for under 100 last time. Got some Air Max or Air More of Tempos for 200 though, man. These are sick for 200 plus 20% off. Still kind of steep. Let's check out the smaller sizes. Ooh, what is this? Some sort of collab. 200, 225, some sort of collab. I have no clue what that is. If any of you guys know, let me know. Let me know in the comment section. I have no clue what that is. Some Tenko SPs. Oh, these are the Snkrs. Jordan 3 Snkrs. 225 plus 20% off. Let's see. These Humeras, 39 bucks. Alright, let's go check some of the bigger sizes. Look at what we got here. We got some heat. Look at this. The Air Max 97, the soles, these are sold out. Sold out. Sold out. We also got some LeBron 16. Nikes. Got some LeBron 16 Super Bronze. Go for retail plus 20% off. Still not bad though. Still not bad. Not bad at all. Those are all in size 10s. Well, that's my size 10, 10.5 for the LeBron. This is Air Max 270, 160. More Protros. Hydro 7s up there, up the Union. Look at this. 30 bucks. Pretty good. Oh, they got some Pegasus 35 turbos. It's for retail, so it's a sick colorway too, but retail minus 20%. It's just too much. Too much. More Protros. What are these? Some Soldier 12s. 109. Don't really see any much else on the hash wall. Check out the Jordan section. Jordan Hydros. Nothing really great. Nothing standing out. Nothing worth mentioning. Such a Jumpman Z's. What are these? Features? Damn, these are some leather features. It's interesting. The 312s you see at every outlet. That is not bad, not bad. What is this? Oh, the Air More Money. It's the Air Force 1 Volt. Air Force Utility, I'm sorry, Air Force Utility. Volt. Interesting color. It's only $69. Slides galore in California. The casual section. These Epic Rack Element 55s. These are making their way to the outlets. $70. Not bad. Not bad. These are all kind of garbage. Oh, that's a good deal right there. Vapor Max for $130. Check out the Air Max 270s, $129. That's a weird color. Some 270 utilities. 270 utilities. I've got that extra 20% off. Oh, this one got that extra 20% off too. A few more. We got the pick of the week. Air Max 2017s for 105. Got the blue one, 100. Look around. Nothing good. I think these are the Pegasus 35s. Another one, another color. Got a few more. Pretty much more Pegasus, more running shoes. Nothing too interesting. I got the React shoes. Oh, here we go. The Zoom All Out Low. This is one of my favorite shoes. Retail says, it's weird. Retail says 140 right here, and then they have the retail at 100. It's kind of interesting how that works. Super comfortable. I don't think I'm gonna cop them though. Yeah, let's check out some apparel. Check out some apparel. These totally feel like boxing pants. 40% off. How much the retail is? Let's see how much. 59 plus 40% off. Still kind of steep. So that was a bummer. We pretty much didn't find anything. I think that's the first time I've ever gone to that Nike outlet without buying anything. So kind of a bummer. We've always found something here, but the primary reason we did come to this outlet is because Adidas is having a 50% off everything sale. So yeah, let's go check them out. Let's go check them out.